Welcome back to another video. Today we are here with Dan. We have got this wonderful roof behind us to clean. Unfortunately I can't get any drone shots because we are in the no-fly zone quite close to an airport. So that's a shame because I think it's going to be one of the best transformations we've ever had. So we're going to do this top section up here for the scaffold tower, and then we'll do this lower section probably from the ground because it's quite steep and relatively low down. And then we've got to dismantle everything, move it all behind the property, which is in another person's back garden. Yeah, so it's going to be a bit of an awkward one, but we'll get it done. But yeah, we'll get cracking and we'll go from there. See you in a sec. The classic Kirbside fashion, it has just started raining as we're about to start cleaning the roof. That is all but one roof clean we've done this year, where it's been raining at some point during the clean. Hopefully it stops soon. What have I done with that? Oh, I've got it in there. All right, lovely, let's get cracking. Alright, we are getting there, guys. Nice colour difference at the top there. Looking really nice. Just got to do this front, well, I've got to do the side section now, so we're going to move the tower around there and then do this front section, and then we've got to take it all the way around there into next door's back garden, so we can do the back. We noticed recently that only a small percentage of our viewers actually subscribe to our channel, so if you do like the content, please consider subscribing, guys. It's free and it takes half a second. Right, so very, very, very happy with how that job came out. Probably one of the best roof transformations we've had on the channel, or even in my whole business. I think they were clay tiles, so they do clean up very, very nicely. Now, what we're here for is what we charged for the job. Now, also wanted to apologise for some of the footage there. The rain can't be helped, and there's not really well, not that I know of, a way to stop the rain sort of landing on the lens, especially when you're roof cleaning, you're right above everything, you're not looking down like you are on a driveway or a patio. But that being said, you're not here for my excuses, you're here for what we charged and how much profit we made. So let's jump over to the spreadsheet. See you in a sec. Righty ho guys, here we are on episode 11. So it is, every time I record one of these, it feels like ages ago I last recorded one. It was actually only last week I recorded one, but it feels like a long time ago for me. So the price on this job today was £600. Now there was a few additional costs with today's job. I haven't cleaned a roof in a little while, and in the warehouse my tarpaulin was underneath a load of wood. So instead of mucking around trying to do that, I ended up buying a couple new ones. So the cost for those were, let me write them down, they were $13.99 each. So there was 2 of them that we bought. We also had to buy some black bin bags at £8 for like bagging up the muck and the moss that came off of the roof, and we also bought a new dustpan and brush because I think I stood on our last one, and I think that was about £8 as well. So let's add all this up. Equals sum of $13.99 plus $13.99 plus 16, which is the 8 and the 8. We obviously had Dan with us today, so his daily wages are included on that. We were running for about 7 hours today, 6-7 hours, so the fuel on that's probably about £10 to £15. We'll call it £10, and £5 for getting to and home from the job. It was about a 20-25 minute drive. So I believe that is all of the costs involved with today's job, like directly. Let's see what that was. That was $158.98, which is our biggest spend, not including the discount we gave on episode 5. But the biggest spend to date, giving us £441 profit for today's job, and putting us just shy of £3.5 grand for the Road to 5,000 profit series. Now I have got a good few jobs booked in coming up, so I'm hoping to hit the 5,000 profit before Christmas, which would be absolutely wonderful. But once again, thanks for watching guys, and we will catch you in the next one.